Entrepreneurs often focus on building great products and generating revenue, but many overlook one critical factor when seeking funding. Today on Cube Capital TV, we're talking about the biggest funding mistake entrepreneurs make. Mistake: only focusing on revenue. Many business owners assume that high revenue automatically guarantees funding. However, lenders and investors usually look beyond sales numbers. They evaluate factors such as financial stability, credit history, and how well the business manages cash flow. What lenders really look for before approving funding, lenders often review business credit profile, cash flow consistency, financial records and bookkeeping, overall business structure. Businesses that maintain organized financial systems are far more likely to qualify for funding. How to avoid this mistake? Entrepreneurs should focus on building a strong financial foundation early. This includes separating personal and business finances, maintaining accurate records, and establishing business credit. Funding success doesn't happen by accident. Businesses that prepare financially position themselves for growth and opportunity. Subscribe to Cube Capital TV for more insights on business funding and financial strategies.